Your calf muscle propels you forward with every single step. It takes the load on every impact, supports your lower body and the lower limb. If you want to progress with the fitness activity, it's very important to give a good stretch for your calf muscle. Now, shall we look at the best stretching exercises? Join me. Shall we start? To start with, we will take a chair, we will take a blanket. Just unfold the blanket, put it on the backrest of the chair. Now very slowly, take your right leg on the backrest of the chair. Now correct the other leg. Leg should be straight. Now pull the toes inside. Now stay here. Hold the backrest and try to straighten the knee. Push the knee towards the floor. Then lengthen your spine. Look front. Now pull the toes inside. Give a nice stretch for the heel. Stretch the heel. Pull the toes inside. Stay here. Give a nice stretch for the calf muscle. Keep pulling your calf muscle. Now keep lengthening your spine. Don't shrink the spine. Lengthen your spine from your tailbone. Look front. Keep pulling the toes inside. Now observe the stretch in your calf muscle as well as your hamstring. Keep lengthening your spine. If you are comfortable, need the support of the chair. Both the hands above your head. Straighten both the hands above your head. If you are comfortable, if not, that will do. Stay here. Normal breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hand. Take the support of the chair. Soften the knee. Drop the leg. Now we'll try it with another leg. Keep this leg straight. Now very slowly take your left leg. Correct your hip. Now both the hands on the backrest of the chair. Now keep lengthening your spine. Pull the toes inside. Give a nice stretch for your hamstring as well as your calf muscle. Keep lengthening. Don't shrink your back. Lengthen your spine. Look front. Stay and forward. Stay here. Press the big toe of the other leg. Now breathe normally. A deep inhalation and a deep exhalation. Keep lengthening your spine. Keep pressing the heel to the backrest of the chair. If you are comfortable, now very slowly release the hand. Both the hands above your head. Toes, palm facing up. Stretch the wrist. Now lengthen your spine. Stay here. Normal breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the hand. Keep the hand on the backrest. Soften the knee. Drop the leg. Now, other one. Now, bend down and take the heel and the toe very much to the leg of the chair. Just watch. Keep the leg. If you are not comfortable, you can keep the leg even in this way. But preferably, keep the leg on the sliding leg of the chair. Now hold the chair. Hold the backrest. Now take a nice support and very slowly lift the other leg on the seat of the chair. Now hold this chair. Now keep yourself straight. Keep correcting yourself. Now push your right hip front and straighten your back. Try to stand straight. Normal breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly push your hip back, soften the knees, drop the leg down. We'll try it with another leg. Bend down. Give the heel to the leg of the chair. Hold the seat of the chair. Now very slowly take both the hands on the backrest. Move yourself front. Now very slowly keep your right leg on the seat of the chair and your hip will be going back. Push your hip front. Try to stand straight. Normal breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Soften the knee. Drop the leg. Take the leg back. Next one. Remove this. You will keep it aside. Now, take your right leg on the seat of the chair. Pull the chair closer. Keep the leg on the seat of the chair. Correct the other leg. Now, keep both the hands on the backrest of the chair. Now, drop this hip down. Pull the toes inside. Toes should be completely in. Lengthen your spine. Stay. Now observe both legs. Pull the kneecap of both legs. Stay here. Stay here for 1 minute. And then, if you wanted a better stretch, now shift both the hands on the seat of the chair. Now hold the chair. Now look front. Now lengthen your spine. When you lengthen your spine, you can feel the stretch in your calf muscle. Now keep pulling the toes inside. Now if you are comfortable with this, move your hand to the inner edge of the seat of the chair. Move your hand front and again lengthen your spine. Now press the hand on the seat of the chair. Stay here. You don't need to touch the forehead to the knee. Don't do anything, just observe the calf muscle and keep pulling the toes. Relax your facial muscles. Stay. Normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull the hand back. Soften the knee. Release the leg. Now we'll go with another leg. Left leg. You can try it with any chair. If there is a yoga chair, it will be better. Now stay here. Now keep both the hands on the backrest of the chair. Push your hip back. Keep pulling the toes. Look front. Normal breathing. Stay here. Now pull the kneecap of both legs. Lengthen your spine. Now keep pulling the toes inside. Stay here for 1 minute. After that, if you are comfortable, shift both the hands on the seat of the chair. Look front. Now very slowly, if you wanted a better stretch, move both the hands to the inner edge of the chair. Now again, just watch, you need to lengthen your spine from your tailbone. Look front. Stay here. Press the complete palm on the chair. Normal breathing. Keep pulling the toes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now pull the hand back, soften the knee, release the leg. We'll lift into another stretch with the help of the ropes, or we call it as belt. With the help of the belt, we will go for another 2-3 stretches. In the next stretch, we will be using a belt. It's very easily available. If you ask for a yoga belt, you will get it. The link will be there in the description box. You just have to cross like this and then lock. Lock the belt, straighten both the legs, take the distance of your leg. Okay, then keep the buckle to your right and put the belt to your armpit. Now it's like this. Put it for your armpit. Then very slowly go on your back. Pick your right leg. Adjust the belt. Now very slowly go with your comfort. If you are comfortable, okay, fine. If you are not comfortable, you can lengthen the size. Now very slowly straighten your leg. Now stay here. Keep stretching your heel. Pull the toes inside. Correct the inner edge and the outer edge. Push the inner edge. Pull the outer edge towards you. Now both the hands over your head. Stay here. Keep stretching your heel. Stay here for 1 minute. Normal breathing. Once you are done with this, you can change the leg. Give a nice stretch for your calf muscle. Keep pulling the toes inside. Normal breathing. Try it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After you are done with this, now chain the leg. Now here, if you are comfortable with the previous one, now very slowly soften the knee and shorten the belt for 1 to 2 inches. Now very slowly observe the knee and try to straighten the knee. We will take it with 3 stages. First stage is very easy one where you are very much comfortable. This toes will be towards the level of the nose. Observe yourself. Stay with your comfort. Now again, here, try to straighten the knee. Normal breathing. Stay here for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, soften the knee and change the leg. Don't adjust the belt when you are shifting the leg. Stay. Push the inner edge, pull the outer edge closer to you. Both the hands over your head. Normal breathing. After you are done with this, now very slowly change the leg. Now here, again, if you are comfortable with the previous one, we are going to shorten the belt still more. Another 2 inches. This will be little tough. Now very slowly straighten the leg. Your toes will be at your forehead level. Straighten, straighten, stay. Now both the hands above your head. Normal breathing. Keep correcting the leg. After you're done with your right leg, change the leg. Left leg and straighten leg. Keep pushing the big toe. Keep pulling your last finger towards you. Now, if you're done with your left leg, now very slowly release the leg. Now, come up, remove the bed. Now, on your back, now very slowly put the bed to your right leg and hold it with both the hands. Hold it with your right hand, Hold it with your right hand as close as to the toes. Now very slowly drop the leg towards your right. See to that the opposite hip is not lifted. You don't need to straighten your left leg. Keep your left leg bent. You don't need to drop your right leg towards the floor completely. If your other hip is lifting, stop yourself there and observe. Normal breathing. Stay here for 1 minute. After that, you can change the leg. Now hold it with your left hand. Hold it as close as possible. Now keep the knee locked. Now keep the other knee bent. Now very slowly drop it in such a way that you are not lifting the opposite hip. Normal breathing. Pull the toes inside. Now stay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can try the same thing on the opposite sides also. I mean to say, you put it for your right leg and you hold it with your left hand. Now you are going to drop the leg towards your left. You are going to drop your right leg towards your left. Now you need to straighten your other leg. Now drop it towards your left completely. Look towards your right. Stay. Now very slowly lift it up. Now change the leg. You can stay for 30 seconds to 1 minute in each sthiti. Now very slowly drop your left leg towards your right. Straighten the other leg. See to that the other leg is on the mat. Now very slowly drop it. Straighten the other leg. Now look towards your left. Now lift it up very slowly and release the bed. Come up very slowly. These are the stretches for your calf muscle. Thank you for being with me. Practice these stretches and let me know how you felt. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.